Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here. It's November 10th, 2022 with the daily debrief of our standard work for our Kata Challenge. On here, our chart for today, you can see the blue vertical lines is when I started trading and stopped trading. So came in around 10:30, it's Pacific time, and was a little late to the party here, kind of took the Kata 2 because when I started, had missed this SSC pattern here, but we had this low here and the higher low. And also this is the beginning of the day. Way down here in this bottom corner was yesterday's close. So we had this big gap up. This green horizontal line was the high of yesterday. So we were completely in the green zone favoring long side trade. So got on this trade here shortly after when it broke above this little consolidation here for a Kata 2 to the upside. We used our standard risk box here of 81 cents, the R10, and then used just a simple trail stop and rode this up until about around 12:30. Anytime after 12:30, part of my rules, I'm cool taking a profit taking exit getting near the end of the day. It also pulled back at that point to the PSAR, and I had 2R in hand, so I just cashed it for 2.08R. And then this is interesting that on EWZ, so to the short side again, when I started trading, stopped trading, I use dotted lines to show the high and low of the day intraday. Again, way up here was our close from yesterday, and this is why EWZ is to me so interesting. We had a gap down in EWZ and started to sell off most of the day. So it was, while the whole market was melting up, EWZ was melting down. So I really like this entry. This is a Kata 2 to the downside at the PSAR flip. We had this high up here and a lower high, crossed over the dragon PSAR flip standard risk of it was 14 cents for the R10 today, and wasn't a lot of volatility, so that looked like a good minimum manageable risk box. And then just had a trail stop on that, came all the way down here, little dragon horns, pulled up an R, cashed it 3.9R, so that's 3.9 plus another 2, so about 6R for the day. And yeah, I just thought it was interesting because while the market was melting up, EWZ, we can catch moves going the other way to the short side, just following price action. And remember, if you're interested in learning more about the Kata Challenge, we have it's part of our Applied Systems Development course. Go to Ablewaytech.com for more details. We got some special deals going on right now. We have a question and answer session coming up for whoever's enrolled in the course next week. So hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.